Welcome students of class 7. Today we start with subject math chapter 17. In previous lecture you studied about construction of parallel line. ठीक है, इसके पहले आपने कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ पैरेलल लाइन के बारे में पढ़ा था। आज हम पढ़ते हैं ड्रॉ अ लाइन पैरेलल। ड्रॉ अ line parallel to a given line at a distance of 3 centimeter. At a distance of 3 सेंटीमीटर। ठीक है, फ्रॉम इट तो इसमें देखना है कि एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है जो कि 3 सेंटीमीटर, जो गिवन लाइन है वह उससे 3 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस पे होगा। ठीक है, देखिए, लेट AB be the given line. Let's suppose your line is given line is AB. AB line, that is given line. Now, then after take any 2 point P and Q on AB. P and Q, any point AB पर कोई दो पॉइंट लेना है P and Q. Let's suppose this is P and this is Q. After that, construct angle BPE. Angle BPE. Let's suppose कंस्ट्रक्ट द एंगल P पे आपको 90 डिग्री एंगल बनाना है। ठीक है, तो यू कंस्ट्रक्ट फर्स्ट 90 डिग्री ऑन द P. फर्स्ट वी टेक एनी रेडियस इन कंपास एंड ड्रॉ द आर्क. ओके, देन आफ्टर you know that 90 degree, how to make 90 degree. Then from this point you cut with the same radius, cut. Then after from this point you cut, and from this point you cut this, and from this point you cut this. Okay, now you join the line from this cut. Okay, this is 90 degree. Then also same, with the same you draw 90 degree on Q. Take any radius in compass and draw the arc. Okay, then after with the same radius you cut from this, then with the same radius you cut from this. Okay, then after with the same radius you cut from this, and from this clear that where and how cut. So you cut. I repeat again. First you draw the arc, then from this you cut this, and from this point you cut here and here. Okay, here and here. Then after from this cut you this. Now you join the this one and this one. You join the line. Okay. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. 90 degree. 90 degree. Right? Then after what? With P as center. With P as center and radius equal to 3 centimeter, cut PE at C. Now you take radius 3 centimeter because the given and distance of the 3 centimeter. आपको 3 centimeter पे लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है पैरेलल. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We take radius in compass the 3 centimeter from the P. From the P. P से आप 3 centimeter लीजिए. Suppose that this from the Q 3 centimeter. Suppose that here. Okay. The cut is on C point and D point. Okay. Then after you join the point C and D. Join the C and D. C and D join. Okay. Then what? This line is now you see this line is parallel to AB. ठीक है? आपका ये लाइन AB के पैरेलल है. On which distance? 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. ठीक है ना? 3 centimeter distance पे एक दूसरी लाइन पैरेलल हो गई है. I repeat again. Join CD and produce it on either side to get squared AB and the distance of 3 centimeter. So this line is named. आप इस लाइन को नेम दे सकते हैं EF. E and F. Now see, repeat again. First you draw AB line 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Okay. So first you draw AB line. Then after you choose 2 points on the AB, that is P and Q. P and Q. Okay. 2 points choose. Then you after choosing the 2 points on P, you draw the 90 degree on P point and Q point. P point, you take radius and draw the arc. And after from here, and from here you cut here and here. Okay. Then after you cut from here. Then after join the line. Take same activity on Q, arc, cut. Okay. From this cut and this cut and join the line. After joining the line, you take 3 centimeter in the compass. From the point P, you cut 3 centimeter, and from the Q, you cut 3 centimeter. Then join the C and D. ठीक है? C and D को आपको join कर देना है. Then what is this? This is the line EF. What we write? line EF parallel to the line AB. ओके, तो क्या हो गया यहाँ पे लाइन EF पैरेलल टू द लाइन A एंड B, AB लाइन के पैरेलल. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो so you draw in your copy, practice it. Okay, at your home practice on your copy, then again and again. Okay, so we will meet in next lecture. So आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you for watch the video.